Welcome! In front of me I have KINGWEAR KW37 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have screen brightness icon. To adjust it, we can simply tap on it and keep tapping on it to switch between the levels of brightness, as you can see. We can also do this through settings, so let's tap on the settings icon to open the settings, and here we have a brightness option. We can tap on it, and right here we can adjust the brightness by tapping on minus and plus buttons, like this. Once you're done, simply press the side button to go back. I'm gonna press it a few times to go back to the home screen. And that's how you change the screen brightness on the device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.